Well, welcome back to another Dynodaze video. This is a beautiful black EP3 and it's in today for a map on a K-Pro ECU. So Jensen's heard a little noise, so he's having a bit of an investigation and then we shall crack on with it.
Yeah, that's what that is.
What is it, Jeddo?
It's the wiring for the idle speed control lamp. Yeah.
Buzzing away on the fan. Okay. Another EP3 matte.
Yes.
Now this one has been tuned previously.
It was on, well, it was on a K-Pro 4 ECU, so I'm assuming that it's obviously come out of another car. Maybe.
Yeah, he mentioned the name of the company, but I don't know who they are, so I can't remember who they are. But not someone that we know.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it's got, so quick modification rundown. It's got Skunk2 Pro Series Inlet Manifold.
Yeah, standard throttle body. It's got a leaf eater on it. Yeah.
Japspeed 4-1 and a Tegiwa 70mm.
Yeah. I think the leaf eater is probably what's held us back today. I think the rest of the mods are certainly reasonable and good. Probably could do with a bigger throttle body on there and a better induction kit, and I think that'd make towards the 240 where we'd sort of expect to be, for sure.
It made I'm sure it made like 12 wheel horsepower today, but from when we started to when we finished, the dyno cell's got up in about 9 degrees in temperature.
Yeah, but what you got to remember as well is it did have a tuned file on it.
Yeah, of course.
So you're not going from a standard file or a standard car, for example.
No, but there's a bit improvements across the rev range there, and he's very happy with his flames, Richard.
Yeah, good.
Very happy. So that's another one in the bag.
Another one in the bag.
Now, next up is an FN2 today.
Yes, Mr. Dazar.
Yes, so check the next video out if you like FN2s, but we're doing a throttle body test on that one today.
We are doing a throttle body test on that. We ran the car previously with all his mods. He wasn't sure if the inlet manifold was ported or not.
This is the RRC.
The RRC was ported or not because it got brought as a gift.
Now, Dynodaze only sell the ported ones because we know they make power.
Yeah. So we've ripped the inlet manifold off this morning. We give it to the engineering guys across the road and asked them obviously if they can port that. So they're currently doing that. We're hoping to get that back on and then do a back-to-back comparison on power with the J35Y throttle body and the ported manifold.
Yes.
So we're looking forward to that.
Because that car will, in theory, have some very similar mods to a couple of FN2s that we've mapped recently that have hit the 240
They've
mark.
all broke the 240 mark, which is what he was desperate for. So hopefully that.
He wants this. Is it 3 brake horsepower?
I think we finished on 236 last time, so it's 4.
And he's an absolute legend, so we really want to give it to him,
Yeah.
But
and his power.
Yeah, and his power. He looks a big boy. Yeah, cool. So shall we look at the graph?
Let's have a look at this
Let's
graph.
do it. Okay, so say it with me, guys. Red line is as she came in, blue line is as she leaves. Now, if you look at that wheel horsepower line, you can see we've made power above and beyond the previous tune, which is lovely. But peak power, as it's calculated, ends up around the same point. So 232, 189 at the wheels. Awesome. Love how this car looks. A couple of great lads turned up with it today. Very interested, so that's cool. Very, very passionate. And looking forward to joining us on the stand at Modified Nationals. So we'll see you all there. Thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. And we will see you on the next one.
Before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.